Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 10 for Multivendor Ecommerce website in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we will work on the pagination. In the last video, we have seen that how we can apply the pagination, and we have seen two kind of pagination, which is one is a page number pagination and limit offset. Now in this video, we will apply how we can create the custom pagination and how we can modify the pagination attributes, right? So let's start to do this. So first of all, what we need to do, I'm going to just undo this code so that I can show you that how we can apply, and then let's remove this. And first of all, here I have let me undo this code. Okay, so this is our code till now. Now I'm going to create new page for the custom pagination. Okay, so let's go to the app, and here we have a pagination.py file. In the pagination.py file, I'm going to modify the page number pagination, right? So we are extending this class. First we will import the pagination and response from the REST framework, and then we will create a new class custom pagination, and we will override this method, right? So get paginated response, here is a links. Okay, so this is next and this is previous. You can change anything you want, and the count and the results. By default this attribute name is data, but when you apply the pagination, this becomes a result, right? So what you need to do to apply this pagination globally, on the whole project, you need to apply this one. So then wait a minute, yes, name of the app, then the file name, and then class name. This is not a class name, our class name is custom pagination here. Okay, so in the custom pagination we are applying the results, right? So let's go to products. If we refresh here you can see that results. Let's change this to data, so it will change this data. So now the pagination is applied, the page number pagination is applied here, right? But one more thing here, this is page number pagination. If we go in the, which is this one, let me remove this. So this is page number pagination, page 1, page 2, right? So this is coming from global setting, but if you want to override the pagination style according to the special view, on the special view level, right? So like this is our product view level. If I want to currently this is working as a page number pagination, but if I want to apply another paging style, then what we need to do, what I will do here, we will import the pagination, right, from the REST framework, and then here we will apply permission class equal to pagination dot, let's say, limit offset pagination, right? So if I refresh this here, 1 minute, pagination dot limit offset pagination, yes. So this is, oh, don't need this, type object is not iterable, 1 minute. Okay, so this is not permission class, this should be pagination class, pagination, 1 minute. Okay, so pagination class equal to pagination dot limit offset pagination, right? So if I refresh this page, here you can see that this is showing limit offset pagination. If I want to add page number pagination, then this will work as a page number pagination. Okay, so we have seen that how we can apply pagination style globally, how we can apply pagination style on view level, right? How we can apply the custom type pagination, right? So we have seen three methods, right? So I think these three methods are enough to work on the pagination, right? If we need something, then we will do in our way and we will customize this, right? So for the pagination I have explained you. In the next part we will work on we will work on other APIs. Okay, we will work on we will see that what kind of things we need to do, or maybe we can start the home page, making the home page design in ReactJs, right? Because now we have a basic things for the fetching data, posting data. We have a pagination, and what else we need. So we have created a product list API, order list API, category, vendor, and all the things, right? We have implemented the token authentication. I think we can start now. We can start the ReactJs, right? So let's see. I will start the home page and then we will fetch the data, okay, and we will create or modify our APIs accordingly, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, any comments, then please send me, okay, and you can join this channel, okay. You can download the project from projectplaza.com, okay. So this is the website, this is my own website. So you can download projects, Django projects, and you can follow me on social media and subscribe this channel, please, okay. I hope you are enjoying this tutorials channels, and yeah, thank you so much.